Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here this unfinished two-story house in Plantation Heights, Red Hills. This house has breathtaking and panoramic views of Kingston and its environs. The property has 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, two-car garage, office with balcony, TV room, laundry room, and a skylight in the master bedroom. Don't plan to build. Come and complete this house and then call it your new home today. The house size is 5,000 square feet and the land area is approximately 10,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.